Hey students, the unfortunate part about this next chapter, this next section that we're getting into is one of the things that we like to do in the past years in class is put this quadratic equation to song. I enjoy it. Students have done a great job of it in the past. It helps you commit it to memory, and it's something different. Um, we tried, us teachers have tried to be a little bit creative where we can, and this is new to all of us and you guys. And so I kind of had an idea since um, I'm missing the time that we got to work with this equation in this section in class. So, as you guys know, I'm a proud native of Hibbing, Minnesota, the heart of the Iron Range. Um, and then what you guys may not know is that Bob Dylan, um, one of the most famous singer-songwriters, um, certainly of his generation, um, is also from Hibbing. So I decided to get some lyrics together and combine it with the stylings of Bob Dylan and Blowing in the Wind and put together something that I hope you guys, I hope it helps, but I hope you get a kick out of it, laugh at it, whatever. Send us into the last couple of weeks of online learning and hopefully, like I said, it helps out a little bit and just a little change of pace. So, with no further ado, Bob Dylan liked to wear shades because he was cool like that. Here we go. How many times do you get a quadratic that cannot be factored nicely? Pretty often. Yes, and how many times are you hung out to dry, wondering what y could be? Yeah, we've got this equation to commit to memory. Just plug in your A, B, and C. And the answers, my friend, are coming at the end. The answers are coming at the end. We got y equaling negative b plus and minus the square root. Two solutions of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You make sure your equation is in standard form and follow the order of operations. Then the answers, my friend, are coming at the end. The answers are coming at the end. I'm saying y is equal in negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I'm saying y is equal in negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Well, I hope you guys liked my stylings of Bobby D and Blowing in the Wind. Fantastic song, historic song. And I hope this helps a little bit, or I hope you just laugh at it, or whatever you want to do. And hopefully this was something different. Good luck in the last couple weeks and the last couple sections. I hope you guys are making out okay. I hope everybody's safe, and we all hope to see you guys soon.